Hey everyone, so here is Dazn app. So this is live sports streaming app. Usually it's boxing events. Um, yeah, sometimes it's in the top charts depending on the boxing event going on there. So yeah, you can see here is the app. You can just get access to all these live content events. And just watch Dazn on either your smartphone or either like a smart TV, tablet, computer, gaming console and stuff like that. Yeah, it has pretty good reviews so far, like 260,000 plus ratings and 4.7 is pretty impressive. And you can see reviews from people that's like worth it. So yeah, let's just dive into the app. So I just installed it. It's free app to install, but then to watch stuff you will need to pay a subscription. Then you can just filter by fighters. You can see all on-demand archives. And all of that. You can see the schedule in the second tab. So yeah, okay, it's not only boxing, but it's also like some racing. So yeah, then you have sports, you have boxing archive, you have shows, so also different shows here. So here, then you also have like documentaries, which you can watch. And then, yeah, to watch all of that, you need to sign up. So to sign up, just tap more in the bottom right and then tap this yellow button in top where you can just sign up. Yeah, so to sign up, you will need to use your email and password. And yeah, and after that just sign up, but I think you will need to pay like $1.99, so $1.99 monthly for like a subscription. And yeah, then you will be able to enjoy all these shows. So it's like $2 is actually pretty cheap, right, per month to watch all of this content. So then you can see to your account. Of course, if you purchased it on the another device, you can restore the purchase on a new device and all of that. But yeah, that's the app basically. I'll just browse. So basically there is box, documentaries, motorsport, different shows and all of that. I hope they will expand their library, because the app seems to be on the right track and it's in the top charts in US App Store. So hopefully they will just add more and more different sporting events. So that should be more fun. Other than that, that's the app. So try it out. I'm not sure if they have free trial or not, but like $2 doesn't seem like so much. So you can try it for 30 days. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel it. So to cancel it, you will need to go through the standard process of cancellation on iOS, meaning you need to do it through the App Store app or through the settings, find the iOS subscriptions and cancel from there. So that's basically how it works. That's how to watch boxing match in Dazn app. Hope it was helpful.